So the last step in any skincare regimen is going to be your daily UVA, UVB sun protection. In the mornings, we always want to apply sunscreen as the last step before our makeup. Regardless of the texture of the sunscreen, you want to use it last and then underneath that makeup layer if you're wearing makeup. Norwex has a new product that I've been using for about 5 months. It's the Lysere Protect and Prevent Daily Mineral Sunscreen with SPF 30. And what it does is it provides a broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection, plus pollution and blue light defense. How great is that? For a healthier, younger looking complexion, sign me up. Blue light's coming from everything, ladies, like our electronic devices, tablets, you name it. Now, there's a huge difference between chemical sunscreens I've used in the past and physical sunscreens. Chemical sunscreens sink into our skin, many containing harmful ingredients, and they actually allow the UV rays to penetrate and sink into the skin as well. The sun enters the skin, has a chemical reaction with the chemical sunscreen, and then the rays are expelled out of the skin. This is different. It's a wrinkle-fighting physical sunscreen, and it's very different in so many ways. It deflects the damaging UVA, UVB rays and does not allow them to penetrate the skin surface. Think of it like a basketball bouncing off of a backboard. This is hands down the best sunscreen I've ever used. It guards against damaging rays. It's powered by non-nano zinc oxide and titanium dioxide, which actually just sits on the surface. The Protect and Prevent also contains an amazing blend of Nordic or organic cloudberry, lingonberry, and sea buckthorn, which protect the skin from free radicals while imparting a younger, more radiant looking skin. I've been using it, like I said, several months, about 5 months right now, and it still has a ton in this container. In the mornings, we just want to apply 2 fingers worth, which is about 1/4 teaspoon. And I'm gonna reapply it if I'm outside. But wear it on days when you're in the house too. Take advantage of the blue light protection. That can be equally as damaging to the skin. I mean, so it feels good too. No white residue. It does have some key ingredients that my skin loves. The first one is called Endocrine, which I think I'm saying that wrong, but just bear with me. It's based on the ashwagandha plant, and it's a key ingredient protecting against the blue light that's emitted from our smartphones, tablets, computers, even street lights. Blue light actually weakens the skin, causing it to appear faded and lackluster and lacks vitality overall. It also has something called Polustop, which acts as an anti-pollution agent. And what that does is it forms a barrier against the environmental stressors from getting into the skin. Now, the Protect and Prevent is free from all animal-derived ingredients. It's gluten-free, paraben-free, no synthetic colors or synthetic fragrances, no GMOs, no preservatives, which are found in most natural skincare products and linked to skin issues and allergic reactions. It's also free from oxybenzone, which is a sunscreen chemical associated with endocrine disruption, skin allergies, and it's also what's harmful to the coral reefs. I definitely give this a 5-star all the way. It's one of the best things I've added to my personal care routine in many, many years. I love it. And just look at that nice glow, ready for my next adventure.